After 5 months of marriage to Christina Milian, the Dream ended up having an affair with his assistant, Melissa Santiago, and he ended up filing for divorce days before Christina Milian gave birth to their baby.
2. Gavin Rossdale and Gwen Stefani.
Actually blow up in your face.
In 2002, Gwen and Gavin got married, but in 2016, after having a few kids, they got divorced. It was discovered that they divorced when Gwen found out that Gavin had been having an affair with her own nanny for 3 years, an Australian nanny. Seal and Heidi Klum. After 7 years of marriage, Heidi separated from Seal. Seal claimed that Heidi initiated the separation because she hooked up with her bodyguard, Martin Kristen.